Are you looking for the best portable toolboxes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable toolboxes that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Keter Masterloader Portable Toolbox. Keter is one of the leading manufacturers and marketers in the world. Therefore, it comes as no surprise that they are behind the Keter Masterloader Portable Toolbox. Well, this unit keeps tools in an organized manner, thereby making sure you are able to get them as quickly as possible. The portable toolbox measures 14.88 inches wide by 24.25 inches deep by 16.34 inches high and weighs 66.15 pounds. It is affordably priced and sturdy enough to provide you with a reliable place to store your tools. The solid construction makes it quite weighty, but this does not mean you will not be able to move it from one place to another. The compact size and wheels improve the portability of this toolbox. When opened, the toolbox measures 24.25 inches long by 16.34 inches high by 41.7 inches wide, and when it's opened and the handle extended, the toolbox measures 24.25 inches long by 16.34 inches high by 47.24 inches wide. It is crucial to note that the toolbox is not waterproof, hence, should not be left outdoors. At number 4, Stalwart Heavy-Duty Rolling Toolbox. The overall dimensions of this portable toolbox are 17.5 inches long by 10 inches wide by 24.5 inches high. The wheels, on the other hand, are 4.2 inches, meaning they are thick enough to conquer any terrain. Considering how this portable toolbox is made, it should be a frontier for you if you want to work on the go. It comes with a top storage compartment, bottom compartment, 2 removable trays, and a total of 24 small parts to provide you with plenty of space for storing your items. The top storage compartment measures 17.5 inches long by 7 inches wide by 9 inches deep, while the bottom compartment measures 16.25 inches wide by 9 inches long by 12.5 inches deep. We recommend this portable toolbox because it is made one of the manufacturers that are dedicated to providing customers with great products to ensure 100% satisfaction. What's more, this toolbox is fairly priced. Hence, you can get it even when you are on a budget. At number 3, Stanley STST18613 Rolling Workshop. The Stanley STST18613 Rolling Workshop is designed for storing power tool accessories. Ideally, each of its parts is standalone, meaning it will help promote the much sought-after convenience. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast, plumber or electrician, this toolbox is for you. It is loaded with numerous features, including a telescopic handle, removable tray, and front and side latches made of metal. These features make the rolling workshop easy and convenient to use. The 3-in-1 design means you can use this rolling workshop as a middle organizer, a top toolbox or a large storage bin. The toolbox measures 18.1 by 11.6 by 24.3 inches, and this means it will not take up much space when it is not in use. We are impressed with its versatility and convenience. The many customer reviews prove that it is a reliable toolbox worth spending money on. Besides, this portable toolbox is made in the USA, and it is used for MISC. Power tool accessories and power tool accessories. At number 2, Dewalt DWST08204 Extra Large System Case. You need to keep your tools and parts in a tough, durable toolbox. And the Dewalt DWST08204 Extra Large System Case is the unit to go for. It is designed for technicians, contractors, and electricians who need to make sure their tools are within easy reach all the time. Furthermore, this portable toolbox keeps tools in good condition. It has lots of features that make it very portable, and this means when you have it then, you will technically improve your productivity. Another selling point of this toolbox is the fact that it is waterproof. This means your tools will be safe even when the toolbox is rained on. The walls of the toolbox boast a thickness of 4 mm, and this makes them super durable as well as giving the box a robust structure. At number 1. Stanley 037025H Mobile Chest, 50-gallon. Durable, versatile and secure, the Stanley 037025H Mobile Chest should be a frontier for you. It is manufactured and distributed by Stanley, one of the world's leading manufacturers of tools and parts. When assembled, it measures 34.25 inches deep by 20.47 inches wide by 18.9 inches high. Besides, this mobile chest has a handle that measures 15 inches. It is highly rated and has lots of customer reviews. Well, this means it is no doubt one of the highest quality toolboxes. Its handle has a soft grip that allows you to pull it for an extended period without being fatigued. In addition, the wheels are coated with rubber to help make the toolbox easy to maneuver. The toolbox comes with lock and keys to make sure your items are not just stored but also they are securely kept from potential theft. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.